I'm going to make a simple Kadai chicken recipe. To a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 4 sliced onions and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. To another pan, add pepper, chili powder, cumin seeds, coriander powder around 3 tablespoons, kasuri methi, and roast it for a while until a nice smell comes. Grind it to a fine powder. Cut 4 tomatoes and make it to a fine paste. Add the tomato puree. Add the tomato puree to the onion mixture and roast it. Add half of the Kadai masala which we prepared. Roast it until it becomes a dark brown color and add salt to your taste. Add the chicken to the masala. I have taken around 1.5 kg of chicken and I add the rest of the masala which we have prepared. Then add water so that the chicken will get cooked nicely. Close it with the lid for about 10 minutes. Cut some capsicum and onion to cubes. Roast it in another pan by adding some oil around 1 tablespoon. Add the capsicum and onion to the curry and you can make it to your desired consistency like the gravy which you